Hello and welcome everybody, dear students. We are going to study rules on integration, which are very important. See carefully. So first rule: integration of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to integration of fx dx plus integration of gx dx. If there are two terms, you can take integration of each term separately. Second rule: integration of f of x minus g of x dx. Minus sign is there, you can take minus sign. Integral f of x dx minus sign integral g of x dx. Then plus sign is there, take plus sign. Minus is there, take minus. Third rule: integration k into f of x dx. It is equal to k constant. Constant can be taken outside the integral sign. The right integral fx dx. Fourth rule: if integral f of x dx is equal to phi x, then integral f of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 divided by a into phi ax plus b. Note that this rule is very important in integration, because whenever this x replaced by ax plus b, see here integration of f of x dx is given phi of x, but whenever this x replaced by ax plus b, formula will be same. Just you have to divide by the coefficient of x, that is a. That is nothing but derivative of ax plus b. So you have to divide by that. So in each and every standard formula, you have to apply this rule, or you can apply this rule. In standard formula, whenever x is replaced by ax plus b, here a is real number, b also real number, a and b are constants. So whenever x is replaced by ax plus b, formula is same, just divide by coefficient of x. Or see here, for example, you know integration of cos x dx. What is integration? Sin x. So by above rule, integration cos, this x replaced by ax plus b, a and b are any two numbers. We can take here 3x plus 2 dx. So formula same. Integration of cos, here also sin 3x plus 2, and just divide by coefficient of x, that is 3 here. Right? This is the formula. And that is fourth rule. Then next rule is also very important. Fifth rule: if integration of f of x dx is equal to phi of x, then phi of x plus c is also an integral of f of x with respect to x, where c is called the constant of integration. So this is fifth rule. Dear students, see here meaning of this rule. Given that integral of f of x dx equal to phi of x, then phi of x plus c is also an integral of f of x dx. How it is here? Given that integral f of x dx is equal to phi x, you know definition of integration and derivative. If integration of f of x is phi x, then by definition derivative of phi of x must be f of x. Here we take here c constant and we find the derivative of this bracket phi of x plus c. We know rules in derivatives. Take derivative separately. d dx of phi x plus d dx of constant c. We know derivative of phi x from above step. ddx of phi x means f of x, and we know c is constant, derivative of constant is 0, and we get here f of x. So here derivative of this bracket is f of x. Again apply here definition of integration. So what do you get? Integration of right side with respect to x means dx, and that is nothing but phi of x plus c. So I that integration of f of x dx nothing but phi x plus c. That is in rule. If integral of f x dx is phi x, then phi x plus c is also an integral, and that we have proved here. Phi of x plus c nothing but integration of f of x dx. And note that, dear students, due to this fact, integration is called as indefinite integration. Because of that constant c is called constant of integration, and because of that it is called indefinite integration. So integration gives indefinite value, not definite value. For example, suppose you know integration of cos x dx, you know integration sin x, and if I write here sin x plus 5, also I write here sin x plus 10, sin x minus 100, and so on. Note that there are infinite equations, and if you apply definition of integration, if you take derivative of right side, here derivative of right side, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of 5, 0. So by definition, integration of cos x must be sin x plus 5. Again, take derivative of sin x plus 10, you will get cos x, because 10 is constant. Again integration of cos x may be sin x plus 10. You can take derivative of sin x minus 100, derivative of sin x is cos x, and derivative of minus 100, 0. So we can say integration of cos x dx may be sin x minus 100. So note that there are 100 or more than 100 or maybe infinite equations, and this is indefinite, not definite. That gives indefinite value. So it is called indefinite integration, and because of this simply we add integration of cos x dx nothing but sin x plus c. So this is very important rule in integration. So note that after this rule, when you write integral of some function, always we have to add plus c. That is called constant of integration. After writing the integral of any function, for example, integration of sec square x dx, we write tan x and just write plus c. That is rule number 5. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.